Her new super sauté for food eater. We've never seen them. Inspiring gourmet meals like grilled chicken alfredo provolone with all white meat chicken and fish in a mixed alfredo sauce. Prepare for tea. New silver sauté for food. Find more ways to get to the table at letsfixdinner.com.
Before a leg rest, allergy temperature was inside. After a leg rest, you outside all day.
Children's leg rest safely relieves the symptoms. Effective, long-lasting, non-drowsy medicine parents can depend on.
After a leg rest, kids have it all.
We're on the road with the sheriff, talking to people about their auto insurance.
All right, so you need to cut the cost of your auto insurance and save money. One way is to stop paying for more insurance than you need. Just go to thegeneral.com for a super fast online quote. Rates and monthly payments are low, and the down payment is as low as $59. And you get instant proof of insurance. With partial interest online, go to the General and save some time.
Everyone on my team always wants something different for dinner, and I am not a short order cook. That's why we're headed to CC's Pizza for their $4.99 endless buffet. The variety is unbelievable. I know I can finally relax when I'm here.
Hi, welcome to Casey.
The newest move in fitness is tying your shoelaces. Once my schedule Shape-Up's drawn, I'll be counting macros and burning calories. Why? Because Shape-Ups work for me, and they can work for you too. Get your Shape-Up. Second to your body.
When it comes to keeping small spaces fresh, combs can dry out quickly. That's why there's such a breeze, set and refresh. 100% scented oil eliminates odors for their care. For fresh start to finish, the small space odor solution is the breath of fresh air. The Febreze Set and Refresh.
There is a little bit of sibling rivalry there. Only in video game land is when it happens. It's a friendly sibling rivalry. I always knew that he was watching me and just watching what I was doing, so it kind of made me want to be a better person because of it, and that kind of changed the way that I acted too. Both Jason and I actually took the same IPT Tech classes. Actually, my first class, I walked in and there was my brother. In reality, I mean, I think since we can bounce different ideas off of each other, kind of helped the whole situation out.
It's been absolutely wonderful watching you blossom into the incredible young men that you are.
I wish that I could have had as much success as they are having at such a young age. Without the education that I got from IPT Tech, I would definitely not be able to live the lifestyle that both my brother and I are in right now, having great jobs that we're so grateful for. It's just really awesome with our life right now. Definitely good.
We are educators helping people build a foundation for the rest of their lives. ITT Technical Institute. Education for the future. Call 1-800-942-0088.
Okay, 12, bring one of